What are we cruising in, you might ask? Well, we just went and picked up our new tow pig. Been wanting something for a little bit. Found this one last night on Facebook Marketplace. Fell in love with it, and here we are. It's a 2006 F350 dually, 4-wheel drive, 6.0, and bulletproofed. Got aftermarket turbo. You can hear that wheel making some noise probably in the video. I put a mod list up, all kinds of cool stuff done to it. Larry, you can't see in here, but anyway, excited about it. We're headed home right now. We'll get her on camera when it gets daylight and show her to you, but I think she's gonna be a beast. Looking forward. Well, here she is. 05 F350 6.0. So I picked her up last night. Pretty excited about the old girl. She got a ton of stuff done to her. She's been bulletproofed. Got all the goodies on it. Alright, I can't even begin to remember them all. I'll show the mods again on the screen. There's some big huge fans in there. Custom America. Bull bar. It's got later model Super Duty mirrors. It's 20s. Big fatties in the back. Little terra grapplers on there. She ain't perfect. She's got a bad spot or two, but she's pretty good. Got 100 and looks like I'm losing that out there. Got 100 and something, 189,000 on it. Got the rails in the back. Gonna get a hitch for it. Take this dang bed liner out maybe. But anyway, sure runs good. It's got an SCT programmer in it, on board, digital display. It's on a, I think he said 60 or 80 horse tow tune right now. I probably won't turn it up too much. It's got a hot tune in it, and then of course all the box tunes. But kind of keep her together. We gotta pull some stuff with it, and not gonna be my daily or anything, just kind of a tow pig. I've wanted another diesel for a little bit, and Jeremy's got his 6.0. we gotta get it on camera here soon. I fell in love with it. Reminded me of the 6.0s I had growing up. I had a brand new 03 in high school. So check her out inside here. Got the flip down steps as I showed you last night. It's dirty between snowing and picking it up and being muddy. Got all LED lights in it, Lariat of course. Here's the onboard display. Give you a shot under the hood here. All new piping. So, big radiator. I mean, the mod list just goes on and on. If it can be done to one of these trucks, it's been done. If it can be replaced, it's been replaced. I got 6.0s are scary, but got a lot of confidence in it. I think it's going to be a good truck. Hopefully we'll get some miles out of it. It's got the aftermarket turbo, wicked wheel in it. But yeah, I'm excited about it. So you're going to be seeing a lot of it on the channel. Maybe not directly yet, but you're going to be seeing it hooked up to a lot of different stuff, pulling around. So looking forward to it. Let's see, dragging this on a little bit. What the old girl says. SCT Tuner there. Fired up. Looks like we get a cold idle video, man. This thing whistles for days. It's cold. So yeah, there she is. Appreciate y'all giving us a watch. Be sure you hit that like button down there. And Lord help, if you ain't already, be sure you subscribe. Y'all be pretty, and we'll see you next time. Well, here she is. Yeah?
I ain't gonna lie.
What do you think about them there lights right there, son? See that?
It's gonna make fun of you, but I don't actually dislike them.
They were flashing earlier. I'm not sure how that works.
Man.
She's a beast.
I should have done what I was going to originally do and just buy it
out from under me.
Oh, son, the steps.
What do you think about them steps?
That's cat's me out right there.
Hold on, let me. Let me show that again with the camera on. I'm gonna check this. Yeah, steps out, steps in. Turn them lights off. We don't need them.
What are them running? What was those?
That's
It's got LEDs in here, don't it? I gotta get lights.
She's got some headlights.
She whistles a lot louder than mine. Really?
We'll be right back. We put them on silent.
Hello?
Now that he's done on the phone, we can go. Oh, there's my phone.
Talk about mine being a problem. Is your phone blinking or? You can't see it up there.
Yeah, it's blinking. Yeah, it's
You
blinking.
know them bright old headlights.
Let's just go. She gonna cut? No.
No.
Hello, guardrail. So what you get? $65 by that, and it's 8 off. No, 7 off. So 72.
Yeah. Well, I can't remember what I got in mine. I know it's 70 something in mine.
So for y'all that are keeping up at home, that turnaround right there to the center of the other turnaround is what we judge everything how fast it is by, or always have with diesels. So we got 72 roughly in this because the speedometer's a little off. But of course we can't remember. Yeah, he's bright like you there, bright. We can't remember what anything else has got. We'll have to get back to you on that one and compare.
Yeah, I know mine was in the 70s, but I don't remember where at.
I can't remember what page got to her 6.7.
It was less than mine, I know that.
Yeah.
Because I remember we were talking about it. It was
Lightning gets 82.
well, I want to say mine on tow got 78.
Yeah.
Because I think she got about the same as this one got.
Yeah.